With a desire to see more of what the world has to offer, we have been working away for the last few months, turning this 1997 Stewart & Stevenson into our ultimate expedition vehicle. With a fresh coat of paint, new lights, we are pushing ourselves to create a home that will not only allow us to travel, but to see the world from a different perspective. So follow along and join our journey as we transform this bare-bone military truck into our tiny home on wheels. So it is another day. This week what we're gonna do is we're gonna sheet kind of like the wall when you walk in with some cedar planks on the bunk bed side, and then underneath that is gonna be our shoe storage. So we're gonna get to doing that, and hopefully we'll sheet a few more walls. That way we can start doing the flooring this week. And then after that we can install a kitchen and do all the finishing. So let's get cutting and installing. We're stapling these, well actually we're nailing these cedar planks on right here, and what we're going to be using is a brad nailer to have the minimal site of these. So down here we're going to start, boom, good. That's it. No PL on this one. So we've got our cedar entrance wall completed. We still have to do a finish coat on it, but really happy how it looks. It really ties in the colors in here. We also finished our shoe rack. I gathered some patience and I completed that as well. What I'm doing here is, you might be wondering about all these hole saws right here. I'm using these to make round edges. This is Dinette Face that we're installing. So this is the first one, and hopefully I didn't mess it up. So we just have to get to cutting. So that's a wrap for this week. That is all we got done. If you haven't already, subscribe, like, comment. That helps the channel greatly, and we'll see you next week.